Have you ever disputed something with the credit agencies, Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, and they came back, told you the information is validated, the information is verified, and you just get frustrated, you don't know what to do, and most of the time, many people give up. They just don't want to continue the process. And that's what these credit agencies are counting on. First of all, these credit agencies are not government agencies. They are companies, private companies, just like my company, like your company, just a little bit bigger, with a little bit more authority, and they have some government contracts. But here's the thing. If there are information that are inaccurate on your credit report, don't let them tell you the information is verified, validated. They want to play their games, but you got to continue the process, keep on disputing with the right letters, do the right thing, say the right things until they remove it. You put them in a corner at the end that either they remove it or they get sued. 9 out of 10 times, the information on a credit report is inconsistent. The information is not matching between the three. And anytime you want to do credit repair, make sure to get the credit report from one of these agencies. I'm not going to tell you a name so you don't tell me he's affiliate. One of these that shows the three next to each other. Not Credit Karma, not Credit Sesame, okay? Those don't work, okay? You put them all next to each other. You're gonna look for anything that's different, okay? Any information that's different, you're gonna write it down. You're not gonna put it on the dispute letter, but you're gonna write it down for your knowledge in case they can't come back and they tell you the information is valid, the information is yours, or you didn't do the dispute. Do you just give up? No, hell no. You're gonna send them an MOV letter, method of verification, okay? You're gonna ask them, how did you freaking verify? Who did you contact? Who sent you what? Show me the paperwork. Send me every single document that was sent to you. They get this information reported in bulk. They send them all the information in a file, okay? There is a program, Software Metro 2. That's what they use. They don't receive a statement. They don't receive the chain of assignment from the debt collection agency. They don't receive the proof of ownership from the fucking credit collection agency. They don't have anything, man. And all the information on the credit report, 9 out of 10 times is inaccurate. They don't match. And if that's the case, all you gotta do is circle the information that are not matching when you do the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau report. Make sure to print it, put them all next to each other for each account, and circle it. Tell them, hey, see, this is not matching, this is not matching, this is not matching because of this. Remove this, or I'm gonna sue you. I'm gonna sue you. You're gonna fucking go ahead and do that because they're in violation. And if you do, there are attorneys that do it on contingency. You hire them, they get the money, and basically they remove it. They get the money. You get a cut. They get a cut. You know what I mean? But don't give up. Remove it. I'm a former debt collector. I had my own office. I was the one that these debt settlement companies, these credit repair agencies used to come to me to get settlement, negotiate with me, get terms. You know what I mean? So here's the thing. I have this ultimate credit repair guide that is gonna show you every single thing, and I'm gonna give it to you for free. Absolutely free. Nothing. I don't want you to pay me anything. I'm gonna give it to you for free. Study it. Okay, because if your credit gets good, we are a funding company. If you have a credit score of 700 plus, come to me. And if you have a business, no late payments, and you haven't applied for anything in the last 6 months, come to me. I can get you approved for 50 to 250,000. If you don't, come and we'll fix the credit and I will get you there. Okay.